So, hello college hustler, this is Divyanshu and today's theme of the video is how to design stunning flyer within 7 minutes. So, let's start designing. Before starting, don't forget to make a So, here we start designing and here we are in home dashboard of Canva and here we search for flyer and we are selecting flyer portrait and here is our blank canvas. So let's start designing and here first we search for tall building. Here in photo section, here scrolling down we are going to select this one, reducing its transparency a little bit. Now we search for blue rectangular frame covering all part of the design like this. Now it reduces transparency and copying it, adding two layer of this of blue. Now we search for gradient and here in graphics section we are going to select this one like this, and by copying this and here in flip section you flip it vertically, adjusting like this. Now background is ready. We are going to search for a dancing girl and we are selecting from a free pick website. Here apply the filter of free so that there is no issue of copyright. Scrolling down we are going to select, I like this one, and here we copy image and next we go into the bg remover website and here we upload this picture and next now we can download this from here. You can see that the background is removed properly and here we click on download and our file is downloaded here, and now you can upload it into your, but I have already uploaded the picture I am going to use, like this dancing man picture and the Bluetooth set here. And for the next picture, Bluetooth for earphone Bluetooth, and here scrolling down in image section I download this picture and the same process I have done with these two images. Now we are going to make the middle portion of our flyer like this. First we make the background color blue, become same as this. Now first we are going to add graphic which means glowing indication like this one. Here I put like this. Next one I am going to add the earphone set and increasing it little bit, then customizing this like this. I think this looks perfect. Yes, this looks perfect, making the whole a group. Now it's time to add the picture of dancing man like this, adjusting a little bit. Now make a three copy of this because I want to make three men into this pic, and into the go to the flip section and here we are going to flip one horizontally like this. Now adjusting this, that looks pretty cool. We are adjust here and this one from this side like this, and in last into the middle, making him to front like this. I think this looks cool. We put like this. Our middle portion is ready. We'll be making whole a group, and now let's move to our main flyer and little compression this like this. This looks amazing. We search for gradient because I want to add a similar gradient that we have previously used. This one from lower one like this. So that we are adding this in background like this. Just go to position and turn into backward. I think our background is ready. So we are going to add text. First we add the brand name. Here is Melody, and we are going to use fonts for this. Our brand name tagline, make the noise. You can see it here. This looks cool. And next, now we add break free series online, and here we are going to use font family from here. We are going into effects, and here we are using neon effect, and the color of this making it red so that it become vibrant like this. And last I have left it one more thing, which is in here I section. We go into element section, and here we are searching for into line and shapes. Here we are going to use making it yellow color so that it seems from very far. And now adding text exclusive. And in last we have just left with the website name. Here is we are adding this into bottom, into bold, reducing its size. You can add web in graphic section. You can use any of them according to your taste. Like I am going to use this one, and you can preview it from here or design it ready. Here tagline is missing, so add the noise. I think our design is ready. You can read this design into comment section. I am waiting for your comments. Please make sure you subscribe this channel and hit the like button also. Thank you.